Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Swanky Snacks. I am very happy to inform you that I have landed a new location. So we are having vending machines dropped off up there. Can you speak English, dumbass? Yeah, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna, unpack them. I'm gonna get them all set up, fill them with change, set the prices, fill them up, and they're ready to start selling. I'm excited to show you guys these ones. Going into a nursing facility that's open 24 hours a day. They're open every holiday, and there's at least 50 employees there almost every single day. Maybe not on weekends, but it's a pretty busy place, so I am excited to see how this goes. If you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go.
Alright, we have just left Sam's Club and I got a good amount of product. So let's put this in my car and let's get going to the location. If anybody else owns a vending machine business and your car doesn't look like this, you're doing it wrong. Packed up, let's go. Alright, this is the new location, and as for what you can see, it is massive. It is a huge building. That is why I have two machines coming here. There's even room for a third or fourth, potentially in the future. Alright, here is the first one. It is located in the employee break room. Let's get all this wrapping and stuff taken off and let's get it filled up. It is so brand new that there are zip ties on everything inside. Let me take those off real quick and let's get the product in. Alright, the machine is all filled up. Now the best part. Feels so good. Just gonna make sure all my prices are set, and that is one machine down. Now I have one more to go. Alright, so this is the second machine, but this is not the permanent location. We just dropped it off here, and some of the maintenance guys are going to help me move it into its exact location within the next couple days. But in the meantime, I figured I'd set it all up, take off all the plastic, fill it up with product, get it ready to start selling. So I'm just gonna fill it up with some selections. I'm gonna try and do a little bit different choices from the other one. That way they have a lot of variety and choices to choose from. But this one is definitely gonna be more open to the public and the guests of the nursing home. But also employees can help themselves to it as well. So a lot of foot traffic for this one. And of course you can't forget to fill up the change tubes. This one actually only takes quarters and nickels. No dimes are needed. A little different, but it all works the same. So let's do that and the machine will be set up. Machine looks nice, fully stocked. And one more time. Let's go.
1 week later.
Right, it has been a week since I have filled the new machines, and we are going to go see how they did, refill them. While I got this time, I want to say thank you guys for all the support, and if you are a fan of these videos, hit the like button, subscribe, it's free, and we will go collect the money now. Let's go. I apologize if it has been a while since my last video. I have been getting distracted with a show about pirates, and there's about 1,000 episodes. But it's really good, so if you haven't seen it, I highly recommend watching it. I have like 100 to go still, but honestly, compared to 1,000, that ain't nothing. Alright, let's go collect that money.
So these machines are a little different. They don't have the usual bill box like the other vending machines I own do. So it's just collecting a huge pile of money, and who doesn't like picking up a big wad of cash? Here is the second machine, all filled up and restocked, just missing one slot. And this has been only a week since they have been put on location.
So weird.
And they are doing really good. Alright, let's count this money up. Alright, in about 10 days, we made $97 in cash and $80.50 in credit card readers, bringing the total to $177.50.
Alright guys, that wraps me up for this video. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you guys in the next video, alright? Have a good one.